KCI make coconut dehusker. It removes husks of various shapes and sizes of coconuts. Advantages is very simple maintenance. Faster, easier, and safe. Less manpower, instead it works with electric power. It is user-friendly and safe. Small enough for carrying from any place to any place. We'll see some technical specification of coconut dehusker. 5 horsepower. Length, 1015 mm. Width, 860 mm. Height, 1245 mm. Weight, 350 kgs. Output capacity, per hour, 1000 nos. Power source, 5 horsepower 3-phase. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com. For other queries, please contact to mention number in the description. Even drop comment.